Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to remove a background in Photoshop. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So we have here an image of a ball or a circle with the color red. The background is green, so we want to remove the background to become transparent and then put with another background that is white. So all we need to do is to duplicate, right click, duplicate the image of a ball, and then here in the tools select magic wand tool, and then click the background copy. Press the delete in the keyboard and then hide the original background. Now when you delete, the image becomes transparent. Control D to delete the to remove the highlights, and then using magic wand we will delete the remaining green background here. Click delete, click delete, click delete. Now once we have complete removal of the, control D again, the background, click this one, the move tool, and then click the ball, the red ball, to the white background. Okay, so that's it. That's very simple. We were able to create, we will able to remove the background and put it a new background that is white in our image of a ball in Photoshop. Thank you so much for listening. I hope that you get something in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.